Hey guys, this is Brandon from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida, and I'm here to show you the toy hauler. Work and Play by Forest River 18EC. Pretty simple, straightforward plan, but lots of cool little features. Moving here toward the back, of course, we have our little bench area. That folds down and a queen size bed comes down. Good sleeping. Moving into here, we have our domestic toilet, our sink, and a pretty big shower. Clean up after a hard day. Alright, moving to the kitchen area, of course we have our double door Dometic fridge, double burner stove, sink with cover, radio. We have a microwave as well. I have a 13.5 BTU air conditioner. Another bed area that folds down into a bed. Probably sleep about 3 people in this bed. Alright, let's take a look on the outside. Of course, you have plenty of room for all of your ATV toys. And there's the table and a place to hang up your clothes right there to the left. Your 30 amp service, heater, nitrogen filled tires. Your awning, outside light, of course your dual propane and your front storage area. If you have any more questions about this, feel free to call us at 772-446-1370. Just ask for the sales department and we'd be happy to work with you. Have a great day.